from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with Baby and Charlie. Charlie's still hiding behind the couch, and Baby is standing behind the camera waiting for me to get these boxes out of her spot. Baby, come here, honey. Come here, Baby. I have another diamond painting unboxing for you. And from what I can see, there's 3 in this box. And we shall see what is inside. It's like Christmas every day. Baby wants to curl up on my pillow. She's such a sweet little girl. Whew, it's hard work. Not really. Would you believe these are still coming from the AliExpress sale? I think I have 4 that I haven't gotten yet. Maybe 1 after this one. We'll see what's inside. Whew, there we go. Has to be a better way. I wonder if there's like a tool or something that you can just zip these open with. Okay, there we go. So there's 2 boxes here. Let's get them all unpacked. Okay, there's 2 kits. There must be 2 in here. Come on. Oh, it's down just enough that I can't grab it. There we go. I got it. Go. Get rid of that box. Ooh, this box is like smushed in half. Hopefully it didn't, oh, it flattened the canvas a little bit, so it may have some creases. Oh, what was that? Something fell out. Sweat here. Oh, it's part of the box fell out. Okay, so the kits are all identical. They are the white boat with the funnel, some bags, some pink wax, some tweezers, and an extra long single placer. My battery's low. Okay, there we go. So they are all identical. Excellent. Okay, the first one I'm gonna do is the one that was by itself, got a little creased. It's a 45 by 45 of a peacock feather. Isn't that beautiful? I will put the picture up for you. It's full drill round. Oh, the colors are just beautiful. I'm looking at the drills. They're like very royal looking, from a deep forest green to a navy blue. Very pretty. I like the designs on this store. The paper's cut, which always, you know, makes me happy. I still cut it further, but oh, look at that crease. I'm definitely gonna have to lay it flat for a while. The colors, how many colors are there? Can't see the other side of the inventory sheet. It is a lot. 40 colors. 40 peacock colors, I should say, which are always beautiful. Okay, wow. So full drill round, like I said. The symbols are very clear. They're very typical of Huacán with the bars and the hearts and the... Oh, I got the sniffles. Hold on, let me get a tissue. Okay, here you can see the design. And I'll put the picture up. Really love this one. I've been waiting for it. I was wondering if I was ever going to get it. Very, very pretty. This is the kind of one that I think will be a lot of fun to do the framing too, and find a frame that highlights it. I might use that that wax. Stitcherista did a video on how to use the wax on the frame. It was how to frame her little eye diamond painting. And first of all, I think she picked out the most beautiful frame. The frame really makes or breaks it. And then she used this like metallic looking colored wax on the wood of the frame. And it just looked so beautiful. I can't even get over it. I can't. It was such a little diamond painting, and it shows how you can really have fun with the framing and how that makes it look. How it highlights the picture. And in that case, I think she got it just perfect. You know, I'd hate to take something like that and stick it in a plain little black frame and be like, yay, it fits. Well, fitting isn't the only thing. It's the framing, and it pays to have a little bit of artistry in your soul where you recognize that certain colors and certain textures go together. That's the fun. Okay, this is going to be beautiful. I love it. A few creases, no problem. I'll let gravity do its thing. Hey, if you like my videos, take a minute and hit like, and please subscribe and ring the bell. I really appreciate everybody who joins me, and people say the nicest things to me. I'm so grateful. I can't even tell you, because I'm having so much fun, and that makes me even happier that people are enjoying it. Take care. You have a great day. Bye-bye.